Dr. Kendall, can you tell us what your takeaway is from the course this week?
Yeah, what's been amazing is seeing Dr. Baird just do $25,000 worth of production, and he has time to sit around and talk in between patients. So my biggest takeaway is scheduling the right way, the way that PDA instructs, so that you can fit the amount of production you need to meet your goals, but not be too crazy. And if you get to that point, you schedule it on the next day or the day after that, and it makes for actually a pretty easy day doing $25,000 worth of dentistry. You work hard, but it's totally doable. Thank you for the team and everything you guys have done. It's been fantastic.
And can you tell us what your action steps are when you get back in the office?
Action steps. I'm gonna get my staff scheduled into production through the PDA method, and have them. I'm gonna join coaching. I haven't done that yet, so I'm gonna join coaching and get my staff up to speed and start increasing my hourly production.
Great, thank you.